Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. We have solved the 12 question in the earlier video. Now we will start the question number 13. Okay. If 32 by 28 equal to a by 7 equal to 48 by b, then the fraction b plus a upon b minus a is equal to the ratio. So first we need to find a by a and b. So to find the value of a and b, let's reduce the fraction 32 by 28. That is your 4 sevens are 4 eights are, that is your 8 by 7. So we can write a as 8 and 8 by 7 equal to 48 by b. This is your b. 8 6s are 48 to 7 6s are 42. This implies b equal to 42. So b plus a. So 42 plus 8 upon 42 minus 8. ठीक है? तो 50 upon 34. ठीक है? It will be your 25. It will be your 17. So 25 is to 17. It is in the option number C. So 13 answer will be option C. ठीक है? Question number 14. What percent of this figure is shaded? Percent. So first we need to count how many figures are shaded. If we just take this part and we color here, we just remove this part and we color here. ठीक है? Take this part, color here. Take this part, color here. ठीक है? तो how many this shape is present here? तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 part is here. ठीक है? There is 7 total parts. Or one more. There is one more, that is your 8 total parts are here. So 2 are colored, 8 parts are here. If we simplify, and we have to convert it as the percent, to multiply by 100. 2 4s are and 4 25s are. It means 25% parts are already shaded. The 14th answer will be option B. Question number 15. X minus half x plus 2 by 3x equal to 14. So we can just write it x minus x by 2 plus 2x by 3 equal to 14. This implies 6x minus 3x plus 4x equal to 14 multiplied by 6. So 7x, x equal to 14 multiplied by 6 upon 7. 7 2s are 14, 6 2s are 12. So 1 by 12x minus 1 by 6x plus x. तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा आपका, this implies x minus 2x plus 12x upon 12 will be equal to 11 by 12x. This is equal to x is already we have found 12. So 11 upon 12 multiplied by 12, 12, 12 cancel equal to 11. Answer should be option A. So 15th answer is option A. Question number 16. If 27 men can finish a part of work in 64 days, then how many more men are needed to finish the same work, the same part of work in 36 days? So 27 man, 64 days. So one man will be 27 multiplied by 64 days. and in 36 days, if देखो if in one day this task has to complete, so definitely there we need more men. That is your 27 multiplied by 64. Now this is the number of person for completing the task in one day only. So for 36 days, it should be divided by 36. Okay? So 9 threes are 9 fours are 4 16s are. So we need 48 more men, 48 men to complete 36 days. So how many more men? For finding the more men, we need to subtract 48 minus 27, that is your 21. It is in the option number B. So 16th answer is option B. Okay? Question number 17. Minimum how many straight lines are needed to draw this figure? So 1, 2, 3 slanting lines, 3, and then 4, 5 slanting lines, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and this one is 14. 14 lines we need to draw this figure. So 17th answer will be option C. Question number 18. This figure is made up of two different squares. Okay? The difference between the area of both the square is the side of this square is 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So its area will be 7 multiplied by 7, 49, and this will be 9. 49 minus 9, it should be 40 centimeter square. 18th answer will be option B. Question number 19. Which one of the following figure has exactly two lines of symmetry? If we see this one, so there is 1, 2, 3 lines of symmetry. Rejected. There is only one line of symmetry. Rejected. There is one line this side, one line this side. Two lines of symmetry is there. And here one line, two line, three line, four line. Okay. So 19th answer will be option C because it has exactly two lines of symmetry. Question number 20. This figure is made up of 14 identical equilateral triangle and one rectangle ABCD. Okay. What is the perimeter of the whole figure? Okay. So how many base of the equilateral triangles are used with the R? One side with the one side of a rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4. If A is the side of the equilateral triangle, 4A equal to 24. It means A should be 6. So side of the equilateral triangle is 6. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 multiplied by 6 plus 16 plus 24 plus 16. Okay? So 72 plus 16 plus 24 plus 16. After adding these all, you will get 128 centimeter. It is in the option number A. The 20 answer is option A. Okay? Question number 21. In the figure, the area of a right angle triangle is given 196. Okay? So this area is given 96. Find the area of the shaded portion. So we can just write the area of A, B, C will be equal to 1 by 2 into, if R is the radius, then R plus R. 2R multiply by R, base into height. R and 2 cancel. R square should be equal to 196. So R will be equal to 14. So what is the area of the semicircle? So area of semicircle will be equal to pi r square upon 2. So that is your 22 by 7 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 1 by 2. So 7 2s are 14, 2 cancel. Now 14 multiplied by 22. 14 2s are 28, carry 2, 14 2s are 28, 3308 centimeter square is the area of the semicircle. The area of the shaded part will be your 308 and minus area of the triangle, that is your 196 centimeter. ठीक है, if you subtract both of them you will get 112 centimeter square. It is in the option number A. The 21 answer is option A. Question number 22. Identify the polygon in which the sum of all its interior angle is 900. So we know that the sum of all the interior angle is n minus 2 into 180. Here n minus 2 will be 900 upon 180. Cancel, 18 fives are. N will be equal to 7. It means septagon. So we can see C has the septagon. The 22nd answer will be option C. Question number 23. Direction for the question number 23 and 24. The given line graph represent the number of teddy bears sold by a toy seller from the January to May in a particular year. The number of teddy bears sold in April is equal to what percent of the number of teddy bears sold in 5 months? So in the April month it is your 300, ठीक है, and in January it is your 350, in February it is your 150, March is your 200, April is your 300 and May is your 250. Total will be your, if you add all of them you will get 1250. ठीक है, तो percentage for April will be equal to 300 upon 1250 multiply by 100. तो 10 cancel, 25 fours are 25 fives are 5, 6 are 6 fours are 24%. It is in the option number B. The 23rd answer will be option B. Question number 24 for the same data. If the cost of one teddy bear is 375, then the seller earned how much more money by selling the teddy bear in May than February? तो मई में सेल किया है उसने 250 और फरवरी में 150. तो how many more teddy they sold? 100 more teddy is sold. ठीक है, तो for how many more price? तो 100 multiply by 375 to 37,500 rupees he earned more in the month of May than February. So 24th answer will be option D. Okay. We solved the paper of this part 2, the second part of this paper also. Okay. Grade 6, this is previous year question paper 2021 set AA. Now stay tuned for the third part of this paper. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.